The cracks within ZANU-PF have widened into the cavernous divide following a coordinated boycott of the Provincial Coordinating Committee PCC training session. Yesterday's event, intended to prepare leaders for the ED 2030 constitutional outreach, saw an unprecedented absence. Only 3 provinces, Harare, Mashinali, West, and Bulawayo, participated. The remaining 7 provincial chairmen stayed away, signaling a growing allegiance to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's stance that any constitutional changes must be subjected to a public referendum rather than a parliamentary rubber stamp. Sabida mashko branyu kwa chinzi Chiwenga tifiti mnangagwa and was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tip now more branyu kwa chinzi. This internal rebellion is not isolated. Reports suggested that key figures, including Kudata Gray and other influential bakers, are increasingly wary of the 2030 bid, preferring a 2028 transition. The boycott marks the second time in 2 weeks that Speaker of Parliament Mdenda's strategic session have been snubbed. Analysts suggested this quiet resistance could force the president into a corner, potentially leading to a de facto state of emergency if administration attempts to push the amendments through despite massive internal and external opposition. Meanwhile, in a harrowing update from his hospital bed, Professor Maduku has revealed that shots were fired during the brutal assault on him and his NCA members. Maduku recounted how masked men in barricades forced their way into their meeting, firing a shot into the air to scatter his team before raining blows on him with batons. This escalation of violence coupled with the tragic shooting of 2 police detectives in Zaka by an armed robber underscores a deteriorating security situation across the country. As the ED 2030 outreach is set to move to the grassroots level next week, the question remains, who will lead it if the provincial structures are in open revolt, with the global economy revealing from a 20% spike in oil prices following the death of the Iran's supreme leader. Zimbabwe's internal crisis is unfolding against a backdrop of international instability. For the latest development on the ZANU-PF split, the Chatunga court outcome and the beginning referendum movement, following our deep dive analysis below. Domashkwana mdanyo kwa pangwa ino ipina comment section medu za fungu ejimo tukudi pamsari pechitu kwechi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.